Hey everybody, what's up? This is Uncle P, and so I'm going to be taking this trade here. This one lines up with what I'm looking for, and this is the NZD JPY on the 30-minute, and that's with just the plain simplicity system, the basic system we always start with. As you can see right here, this one worked out perfectly fine when it was taken here off the buy, and let me move it over. You can see everything lined up perfectly. This is what we were looking for, and then we have a sell opportunity. Now, I'm going to switch over to the additional new product that we just launched, which is called our Too Easy system. So once you see it with that, boom, let's take a look now. Okay, so as you can see, it has this here, and you can see, woo, woo, there we go. So I'm going to take this trade right here. Boom, hit my there, and place my stop loss comfortably out of the way. There we go. And let's see, that is 57 pippers. That'll bring me down to about here. All right, cool, cool. All right, so everything is set. I will let some music play, and let's go. Hey you guys, this is Uncle P. All right, I'm back, and I'm going to be taking some sample snapshots to send out to different places so they can see live proof that the system is real and that we make money here in Super Easy Forex following simple rules with a simple system. And again, I just want to repeat that the basic system of simplicity will come with these, and also with this, but it doesn't come with this. Okay, so this is a separate product to add on. Okay, this is the new Too Easy. When we add it on, I already knew I should automatically be selling. Then you go right here, you go right here and wait for the setup. And this indicator and this indicator comes with this system. Okay, so they're just an add-on. So I would grab both of them if I were you. The simplicity system is the main system we use, and then this one. So let me send that screenshot out to people. Well, I'll do it later. And then let's look at AJ. which was the other one I was in. And as you can see, clearly the sellers were taking control. Then we had our setup right here. Boom, 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 boom. Just easy money. Easy, easy, easy. And then this one here I'm waiting on. It did the all famous it dropped in profits, you can see right here, and did its all famous pullback. Now, one of the things that a lot of traders are struggling with is, how do I know when to stay in and when to get out? Well, this is still here. As you can see, it's just doing a pullback. Not to say it can't go all the way up. It possibly can. Who knows? But for now, there's no way I'll be looking for any buys or to hurry up and jump out just yet, because this is still showing sellers are in charge. So this tells me this is just a fake up move for a pullback. See what I mean? Because right here is telling me sellers still want to come into the market and sell. So this move right here to the upside, which will really attract a lot of novice traders saying, oh my goodness, I better hurry up and get in this trade for a buy. Okay. All right, do your thing, but here we go. Clear evidence, not me. I'm going to stay in my sell position, and if it comes back and does a retest to the top or hit the stop loss, okay, that's fine. No big deal. I've already made pips off of this one here. See? And this one is sliding into profit there, slowly but surely, which is what I want. I'm not in any rush, okay? But again, if I want to close it out right here, 17 plus 38, let's do some math. 17 plus 38, that equals 55 pips. And then this one is just pulling back, but we'll deduct it minus, just say 3 pips. So that's a total of 52 pips in a less than a couple of hours. You know, go to bed, took the trades, went to bed and woke up, and there you go. Okay. All right. So the system is here. And again, there are 2 separate pieces. The main system we trade with which is Simplicity, which is the main one here. This is the add-on that we added, which is the Too Easy system, and it tells you great information about who's in charge, buyers or sellers, and that's how we do it. Okay, enjoy your weekend, and I'll be doing some more videos for you guys.